Hey everybody, this is David McKeever. I'm with Richard Hundley. We're brokers here at Advance One McKeever Real Estate in Stockton. And if you're in the market to buy or sell in the next few months, then you need to watch our monthly market update video.
And today is the January Stockton market update. And I wanted to show you, David, the biggest thing I'm seeing on this chart is look at these pendings. They've gone up 40% from just 1 month ago to today. That is one heck of a move. 40% in 1 month.
Wow.
David?
I mean, that just goes to show you the amount of buyers in the market right at this moment. I think spring has come early. You know, they're in the market now. They're not waiting for springtime, and they're looking now. Even looking back at this time ago, you know, this time last year, pendings were 216, and so that's a 30% increase from this time last year. So that's the first thing that jumps out on the chart to us for January. The second thing that's super important for January is another decline in the amount of new homes that have come on the market. Last month, just 365 homes hit the market, and that's even a decline from December. Again, if you look back to what happened last year in January of 2019, we had 599 homes on the market. I mean, you can just see over the course of 2019, the newly listed homes declined, and it's just not enough homes on the market. It's just...
Yeah, the large drop. Looks like prices might be going up.
Yeah. Real quickly, I want to jump over to the chart with the months of inventory, even to prove my point even more that the inventory is super low. So here we're looking at a 2-year chart of the months of inventory. I expanded it out 2 years to show you the ramification and the effects we're having right now in the market. Right now we're at 1.3. That's a 1.3 months of inventory for Stockton, which means if no other homes were put on the market, it would just take 1.3 months for every single home to sell. And that's the lowest point we've been out in the last 2 years. If you look back the last 2 years, that is pretty much the lowest point we've had. Yeah. The closest number to that is probably 1.6, 1.7 months. So we're at a new low for inventory.
And in this chart, you can see we have the sold versus the for sale. The for sale prices are going up from $395 to $411 just in 1 month. And the sold is holding, maybe fell just a little bit, but with the lack of inventory and the higher price listed homes, it looks like we're probably getting ready to make a turn up. We'll see in the next couple of months, but that's sure what it looks like right now.
Yeah. Okay, the last chart I have for you is the days on market, how long homes are taking to sell. So let's take a look at that. All right, so the days on the market. Last month, it on average took about 43 days to go pending on the homes that were on the market. And that trend is kind of maintained since back in August. It's been 40. We had 1 month where it dropped to 33, but it's a relatively, trend is relatively the same each and every month. It's a bit lower than it was about this time last year. So I think that trend, it could with the lack of inventory on the market at the moment, I anticipate personally that homes are going to start selling quicker and quicker. Yeah. Just because there's not a lot to choose from. All right, guys, so that concludes our monthly market update for the month of January 2020. Our numbers are down below if you have any questions. If you're thinking of buying or selling in the near future, you can reach out to us, and we shall see you next month for February's market update.